Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Omi app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Omi app and you will enter. Then we click on first app and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.